All right, what's going on, y'all? Today we're gonna be checking out this Tool Daily Foam Cannon. Never did a foam car wash before, but we're gonna see what that's all about, and we're gonna do it with the infamous Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. So let's bring it in for a closer look here. So here we got the Tool Daily Foam Cannon. I'll leave some links in the description so you can check those out. And then we got the Snow Foam Honeydew Auto Wash. All right, so real quick directions on this guy here. We're gonna put 1 to 2 ounces into the foam cannon, fill up the rest with hot water. So we got our trusty hot water right here in your favorite Jarritos Limon bottle, whatever bottle of your choice. Got the little measuring here for the foam auto wash. So let's crack this thing open and see what we got here. All right, so in the package, we've got the bottle, and then we've got the tube, the nozzles, and the quick connector set. So let's see what we need to do here. So just crack this out, boom. I believe we're gonna put this guy on here so it will take in the contents of the bottle. This is your foam end on here, and this is the quick connect. So let's see exactly how this works. All right, so we got our instructions here. Okay. So first thing we got to do here, okay, put all the goodies in the bottle. Connect all of that up. Okay, if the foam cannon does not work well, please clean it. All right. So I guess we are ready for action. All right. So first thing we're gonna do here, I'm gonna get this bottle of liquid here. I'm gonna pour it in to 2 ounces. So you can do 1 to 2 ounces. We're gonna do 2 ounces on this guy here. So first things first, get your soap, pour it in here into the bottle. So we got this poured in here. And then next thing we got to do, grab the warm water, take that warm water and fill up the rest of the cannon with warm water. So the key here is you got to hook this up to a pressure washer in order to make this work. So got the entire bottle filled up, okay? We gonna connect up the handy dandy quick connect section. Get that screwed on. Hopefully this works the first time. Okay, so then what we got here now is I'm gonna take off this other nozzle here, and then we're gonna connect this up to the end of the pressure washer arm. So boom, we got that all connected up here. So it'll be something like this. Just gonna go through that motion, get the car ready to rock and roll. So I'm gonna go crank up the pressure washer, and let's see how this foam sprayer works. All right, so here we go. Foam sprayer. Let's see what it do. All right, so wow. All I can say is wow. I mean, unbelievable. Look at that coverage. Look at that coverage. This is incredible. You talk about full coverage, every nook and cranny, nice and foamed. So then what we need to do, we need to take a nice little, got a brand new microfiber sponge here. Man, this stuff is so good. It was sitting on the ground and it got all kind of junk stuck in it already. But we take this little microfiber brush here and we're gonna agitate it, and that should take care of it. But let's check this out while we let that sit for a little bit. So this is a high foam cleansing wash, okay? And so my question has always been, what is the hype with this kind of product? Supposed to provide a nice spot-free finish. The high viscosity auto wash clings to the surface, allowing the wash mitt to glide gently over the vehicle. Honeydew Snow Foam is extremely effective at removing road grime for a clean and bright finish. Wash away dirt and debris with chemical guys, Honeydew Snow Foam. So here we go. Clean up the last bit of this debris on here, and let's see how good this foam works, because this car was pretty dirty. So let's see how it does. Wow, look at that. It's coming right out. When you're talking about not even really applying any major pressure, I'm already impressed with the way this thing is just, look at that dirt, just gone. Look at that. I'm barely applying any pressure, and the dirt is just coming right off of the surface. So pretty impressive. So let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the car and see how the product does. All right, so we just about got the entire surface agitated. I'm gonna crank back up the pressure washer and give it a quick rinse. All right, so I must say that I'm pretty impressed, and it's probably not more so for the foam product, the foam cannon, but I think this auto wash is pretty good. Whatever the chemical makeup of this thing is, it works. As you can see, I applied this stuff, one coat all the way around, and boy, it is looking pretty clean. And this car was fairly dirty from being outside. So I'd have to say, you know what, if you own a pressure washer, man, getting a foam cannon is definitely worth every penny. So I picked this up on Amazon. I think it was about 22 bucks, but definitely worth every penny. Literally, this container here has 64 ounces in it. And I used 2 ounces of product because the car was pretty dirty. But it says you can actually use 1 to 2. So you could actually use 1 ounce of the product on this and actually get basically 64 car washes out of this thing. Or if you want to go on the heavier side, 32. But boy, I must say that this is looking pretty good. Let me bring you in a little closer so you can see. Very little effort put in from a agitating the surface standpoint, but for hitting it with the foam and giving it just a light agitation, I'm telling you, this product works really, really good. I mean, I am pretty impressed with how this turned out. Pretty impressed. It's looking fresh, it's looking clean, and the great thing is that it didn't take a whole lot of effort and energy to get this end result. So you can imagine, this is why detailers use these type of products. So make sure you go ahead and get you a bottle of snow foam auto wash from Chemical Guys. Pick you up one of these foam cannons, and if you've got a pressure washer, you're good to go. So thank y'all for checking out this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Hope this video is able to help someone out. If they're ever thinking about the foam process, what does it look like? Would I need to do it? You can do this in your own driveway at home if you've already got a pressure washer. So go ahead, check out those products, and I'll see you on the next video.